Let's talk pricing mindset. Hey everybody, Sinister Lex here. Today we're talking pricing mindset. Your mindset regarding pricing. Before we get into that, remember to rate, comment, subscribe, click that get notification bell if you want my notifications. Yeah, pricing mindset. So in my group, in the underground, private Discord chat, you can only find on my website and you have to apply to get in. There's a lot of talk of pricing, and I think that the vast majority of freelancers that I work with or I talk to are going for bigger prices. They want to get more money from each client. They want to get the $3,000 retainer. They want to get the $8,000 to $10,000 website, and these are just things that we're interested in. We want to get more money, and hopefully I like to think that these people are that anyone who's asking this question is asking first, is my value worth it to the client? You know, am I able to deliver value that's worth that price? But I wanted to talk about a different mindset that's been brought up in the group by my friend Andy Black. He is a specialist when it comes to low pricing models. And the thing about his low pricing models is he charges less and he delivers less. He doesn't have to be in the business all month chipping away at things, you know, like a web designer might. If you're a web designer and you sell a $10,000 website, you're going to have to be in there building that website, coding all the stuff, making sure everything works right, just constantly in there. But Andy's really good at MRR, monthly recurring revenue models, and that's what he uses in his business, and it's just really intriguing to me. I like the way it works. He bills a lower price, and then he maintains that month after month for the client. So the client becomes an ongoing, reoccurring system of income for him. And that's a powerful model that a lot of freelancers don't really think about, because you look at it and you say $150, that's not very much, or $250 or $350, it's so low. Like, why would I do that when I could go after $10,000 at a time? But the thing is, once that $10,000 website or $3,000 of sales page is done, then that's it. And you don't have a way to secure repeat business without, referrals or asking for more business. You can always do those things, but it's not automatic. It's not an automatic system, and it's not as scalable. So I wanted to talk about this today because you can be thinking about how you might use lower price models in your business, how that might be valuable for you. Yeah, it's going to cost you more up front because you might have to do extra work up front. But after that, you're maintaining it month after month. Instead of being in the business, you might, instead of building a website every month or prospecting for new clients, you might just build a website 1 month and then you just maintain it each month. You make little updates if the client needs them here and there, and they just rent the website from you each month. And by doing that, you, over the long term, let's say over a couple years or so, 1 year, 2 years maybe, I don't know, you increase the lifetime value of this client beyond what they would have had. If you were going to build a $500 website and you're renting that website out at $50 a month, it doesn't take that long for the lifetime value of that customer to become more than what you originally got. So this is a pretty cool pricing model, and I like it because you can scale it it's really easy to scale. Why is it easy to scale? Because it's a lot easier to sell somebody something at under $500 than it is to sell something over $3,000. That's going to be much more challenging to get them to that point where they're ready to buy or they're ready to go in with you. So if you're trying to find new ways to create value for clients, if you're struggling to get those higher rates, maybe look at what you can already do. What can you already deliver? How can you deliver that in a way that gives clients a lower price that makes it super valuable for them, that just makes sense? Like, yeah, I'm going to pay you this because it makes sense. Lowering your price instead of increasing it, going for a lesser amount so you increase the lifetime value of your customer. That's something that was on my mind, and I'm thinking about that. I've come up with a really awesome model within my business that I'm going to be carrying out soon and seeing how it works. Let me know your thoughts on this. Would you ever do this? Are you brave enough? Do you have the courage to try a lower priced pricing model? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm Sinister Lex. Thank you so much for watching. and I'll see you next time.